Hey everyone, how are you guys doing today? Um, Thanks for joining me. I'm gonna be doing the unboxing and review of the Shelby GT500 Eleanor kit by Ukrainian Scale Cars Production, also known as USCP. Um, Pretty well known for their wheels and their tires. This is the first time I order anything from them, but the Eleanor kit was something that I was interested in. I do own another one from Greg Wan, Mastercaster, from a few years ago. But this one here caught my attention. It was a pre-order from a couple of months ago, limited run of 70 kits. Not sure if he's going to be um, re-releasing them or casting more, but nonetheless, I thought I'd show you what's in the box and give you my personal opinion on the quality. As you guys know, I have quite a few resin pieces, so I have a couple of things to compare to. But opening the box, everything's very well packed. Right on top, you have decals. Okay, and then you also have a template for the rear window, which is pretty cool, I think, when casters include that, especially when the donor is not something that just slips in. If it's going to need a little bit of alteration, this is always helpful. So you've got that. You've got the decals. They look very cleanly done. You've got their tires. You know, well known. Like I said, this is the first time I order from them. I really like what I received so far. You also get their wheels, of course. Very clean, already cleaned out, both front and back. Let's see here, inserted into the tire. Looks like it slides right in. So very nice. So you've got that. You've got the dual exhaust part as well. Let's see here. You've got the dash, and then you have the hood. Again, everything is pretty clean already. Very light cleanup to get it to where you want it to be. Another small baggie here. One of the things I noticed that I really liked are the grills. So they're mostly already opened up. They probably need just a little bit of work to make them uniformed all the way across. But here's the other one. You've got the steering wheel. I want to need a little bit of cleanup. You've got the side scoops. Those are already cleaned up a little bit. You've got those headlights from the Eleanor body go right in the middle. You've got the gas cap, and then you have the center pieces, the three-prong center pieces for the wheels. Again, everything's pretty clean. Then you've got the body. Oh, another baggie down here. Clear parts. I love when any caster includes clear parts. You've got the headlights, you've got the tail lights, you've got the side markers. Very well done. This is always a plus in my opinion for resin, because it's not always that the donor kit is going to, that those parts are going to just fit right in. So it's always nice when the caster takes additional time to create these parts. Big plus. And here's the body. In their usual dark gray resin that they're known for using. Okay, it looks sturdy. The inside of the body, the side panels have been filled, so it's pretty thick there on the sides. Door handles have been thickened compared to the kit. You've got the side pipes there, the exhaust. You've got the rear all molded together. This looks like this rear spoiler here will need a little bit of reshaping, not too much. And then one thing is you can tell right there is the roof. I did talk to Misha earlier before doing the video, and I, you know, let him know, hey, this is something that I'm going to share if you know, with everybody, just so you know, so it wouldn't catch him off guard. But you know, he mentioned it, and I know it's a fact that it can be fixed with some hot water and then cold water. I was a little disappointed though, just because, you know, I fixed a couple of roofs for some old resin kits or plastic kits, but being this one was brand new, I was a little disappointed. Now it's pretty flexible, as you can see there with my pushing it up with my thumb, but it almost feels like the ratio of the resin mix was a little bit off. I've cast a couple of pieces, and when I don't do it right, they end up a little flimsy, and that's what this feels like. So it should be easy to fix. Hopefully it doesn't cave back in over time. But Misha took the feedback like a champ. You know, it's just gonna help him improve his bodies, and I completely agree, his future casting, so he's aware of that. But that's what the body looks like right there. It's very nice. You know, I have some pictures on my Facebook profile and on my Instagram profile that show the difference between this one here and the one from Mastercaster, just so that you guys can get an idea of what's out there. Both of these are already available. This one has been advertised quite a bit. The one from Mastercaster, not so much, but if you can get a hold of him, both of them go for about $70 plus shipping, but do reach out to them to get exact prices. Okay, here's the inside. So again, very nicely done. I'm a fan definitely of the tires. I'll probably find a couple of sets and order some of those, because those are very well done. Everything is well done. Again, a lot of great pieces that come with the kit. I have the donor, or the chassis I should say, from a 350, from a GT 350, and I know he says that the GT 500 is the shoe-in, but looking at this one here, it's not a bad fit at all. So I'm sure that the 500 fits just as well, or probably even better. I'll have to see if I have one of those to test it out. But it looks really good. I'm glad to have been able to add this to my collection. Good job, Misha. And this one was designed, according to the box, by Alex Kovalev. So great job on this body here. I will be definitely ordering more stuff from USCP. Take a look at their store. Take a look at their Facebook profile. Take a look at their Instagram account. They have a very good feed, if not to purchase, at least for inspiration and just so that you know what is out there. But that's it. Stay tuned for this one. Hopefully we get to build it in the next couple of years. This is gonna be the last kit I buy. Yeah, right. But thanks for joining me, guys. I will be sharing videos from now on, more on YouTube, more on IGTV, more on Facebook, and hopefully you guys enjoy them. Talk to you guys later.